Greetings, Turks and Caicos. As we continue navigating this hurricane season, I want to emphasize the importance of removing loose debris around your homes and communities. Unsecured items can become dangerous projectiles during a storm, seriously threatening lives and property. So please take the time to remove or safely store any loose objects, such as outdoor furniture, garden tools, and construction materials. Your proactive efforts can make a significant difference in keeping our families and our communities safe. To strengthen our preparedness efforts, the Department of Disaster Management and Emergencies, in collaboration with the Environmental Health Department, is organizing a National Hurricane Community Cleanup Project. This initiative will remove large and loose debris from all communities across the Turks and Caicos Islands. I strongly encourage all residents to participate in this effort by disposing of large bulk items. Please place these items, such as old furniture, wooden pieces, and other debris, at your front gate or in designated outdoor bins for collection. The safety and well-being of our communities rely on our collective efforts to stay informed and to secure our homes. So let us work together to enhance our resilience by doing our part to reduce hurricane-related incidents. Have a safe season. Thank you.
To participate, join us in Grand Turk and Providenciales on the 17th, 24th, and 31st of August, and in South Caicos, North Caicos, Middle Caicos, and Salt Key on August 24th and 31st. Together, we can keep our communities clean and safe this hurricane season.